The tongue is a fire, a world of iniquity. So is the tongue among our members, that it defiles the whole body and setteth on fire the course of nature, and it is set on fire of hell. For every kind of beast and bird and serpent and everything in the sea can be tamed. Man, think of how powerful this crazy verse is. Everything that you see, butterflies, sharks, whales, everything can eventually be tamed, put in a zoo, controlled. But this says this, but the tongue, no man can tame it. Your husband can't tame it. Your mother can't tame it. Your father can't tame it. Your boss can't tame it. Your friends can't tame it. Nobody, the governments can't tame the tongue. This weekend, they're going to try to tame the tongue. But governments can chop your tongue off, which they used to do. Governments used to do that. They could put your tongue in prison. They could take away your microphone, but they can never control your tongue. And with this tongue, we curse mankind and we bless God. Out of the same mouth comes cursings and blessings. James says this, my brethren. Who's he talking to? Christians. All that was directed towards Christians.